This is one of the cars on the lot that's...
Can y'all see what that is behind me? I know in the last clip I showed y'all the G82. Now it's a F80 right behind us. And I literally just said, which one should I get? I want to do the F80, then do the G82. What y'all think? I don't know. I specifically like that color too. If you do have an F80, let me know what kind you have, what color, colorway. Looking for some red interior too. But yeah, that's what we're gonna look for. Man, I just want to throw that in the video real quick. I'm back again. What's going on, guys? On my way to look at the F80 right now. I guess see by the last clip, I've been talking about the F80 and the G82 so much. I decided let me go check one out, see what happens. Check this car out. May go see a G82 too. So you don't know. F80 is like 2015 through 2020 M3, and the G82 is 2021 and up M4s. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the M3 first, just because I really do like the F80s a lot, man. They hold their value. But yeah, y'all seen in the last clip, both cars were nice. And once again, just comment down below which one y'all like better. I ain't never been to this dealership before, but I'm pulling up now. It looks like it's already up front. Though nobody ain't trying to take her yet. Yeah, they have some nice cars on the lot. We'll just see what else they have. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna park at, I'll tell you that much. This is it right here. It's sick. Nice wheels on it. Alright, so that was a pretty quick experience. I'm gonna try to find another G80. It was a manual, right? So I'm not really looking for a manual, so I wasn't really that interested in it anymore. And I wasn't really that interested from the jump because it was white. Look at this E92, it's pretty clean on some TEs. That's sick. I don't like going to places that feel like I'm doing, you know, they're doing me a favor. You know, that's what it all boils down to. So we're gonna go find us another F80 to look at. And that was another thing. They said it had an F80 in the back, right? Had an F80 in the back, but it just was in an accident. Like, bro, you're sitting here telling me it was in an accident with all these problems, but want to show me that one. And gonna tell me it's the same price as the one in the front with no accident? Are you crazy? Yeah, alright. Is that a Tomei dot? Alright, I'm pulling up to the other spot. Had a couple F80s here. And I believe one of them was the color I was looking for. I've seen the M6 here before, so they usually got nice cars. Like this place you don't want to sleep on. They got some cars up in here. So I'm looking around, looking for the F80. I spoke with someone. They're going to check it out. When I go to Cali, I think I'm going to get one of these. Do some POVs for y'all. That's an 840. The one I'm going to get is going to be a 850. See the F80, but the dude said they have a lot, right? They have a lot that may have it on there. What y'all think about these Supers? They're pretty clean. They're just a little smaller than I thought in person, honestly. A little super duper, like a toy. Just trying to save it for somebody else.
No, I don't know what they're doing. No, I ain't playing.
Okay, got them seats again.
I wanted that motherfucker right there, boy. I want that bitch.
say. They don't put like a number out there that they made, but if I had to guess, it'd probably be at most like 200-300. And for one of them to be on sale, this is one of the cars on the lot there's no saying if it's even gonna depreciate or not, just because of how special it is.
Okay.
But I mean, it's been babied, and that's the only thing on the history. Previous owner wasn't satisfied with the paint, so they had BMW buy it back from them. And then this is where I was talking about, like right here, just air bubbles. Yeah. I mean, it's not to the point where you'd have to get it replaced, but
they probably had carbon right there. This is the Yasmarine blue. Got like a little spot right here. He showed me. Super clean. Spec wheels. Try to go ahead and do a quick test drive. No sunroof. You good, baby? 200. Carbon everywhere. Plaid seats. They only made 200 of these, 200 to 300. Comment down below how many below. They could be lying to me, but the car is super rare. I know that for a fact. This is the Luna Sega blue.
She really thought she could park there.
They got parking over there.
I know. Look at that sign right there.
So yeah, as y'all can see on the video, this thing get out. I'm trying to see if it got tread on it. It got tread. I just don't think it stopped. You think it stopped? Alright, I'm leaving the lot now. This the third lot. we seen, you know, the ones I'm taking seriously. They seen that. Hold on, cause I'm all over the fucking place. I can't even talk. Luna Sega Blue, I'm taking the most serious right now because, like I said, for the content, it's there. You know, 100% stock. It was actually owned by the owner of the building, which is like the dopest part. Well taken care of car. 30K miles, and the price is right. It's up there. It's a little higher than what I would expect or what I would want for, you know, that car, but the color is rare. Like, you can't beat that. You know, it might be a car we keep in the collection. So this is what we're gonna do. We get this video to 1,000 likes, right? I'm gonna go back and get that car. You'll have a month to give me 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna get the car. We're gonna post, because that's why I love F80s, because it's super dope cars. You can do a million things to it. It comes with carbon roofs and everything. I want to completely carbon out the car. Only thing that was kind of like, the only thing that was wrong with the car was that it was spinning like crazy. But I checked the tires afterwards. It's wet. The tires are wet, and the tread's not that good. So hopefully I could get me a little discount right there, y'all. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely don't forget to like. Let's get this video to 1,000 of them. Whoa. Yep, I said Tesla in my last video. Y'all saw that, right? Get me to 1,000 likes. My boy's speeding. I appreciate everybody that watched me, everybody that's been watching me. We only going up from here. We're gonna continue to go up. I know my vlogmas I don't post every day, but I post a lot more than usual, and that's where I'm at with it. Only because I want to give y'all good content, man. I don't want to just throw stuff up, and you know, I want to interact with my channel. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We out.